Watch this. How far do I have to back up? Come on. Don't tell me you're scaredy of me. Come on. I'm the Raven Whisperer. Come on. Or maybe those are crows. I don't know, but apparently they told their friends. They're telling all their friends. Hear that? I don't know why I'm filming them. Because you're going to be on the YouTube. Yep, you are. They're leery. All right, I can't do this all day. They don't know why I'm just standing here like a predator. Come on, be brave. Be brave, little ravens. Here they come. Here they come. Tell it. It's a deep conversation. All right, I guess I have to go way back here. Far away. This is how far away I am now. Come on. See how smart they are? They know there's something shifty going on. All right, so I tried to film it for you, but that's about as good as it can be. Okay, thank you, bye.